Today, U.S. stocks closed lower, as fear returned to the market. The main reason was the growing conflict involving Iran. Investors worried that the war could last longer and spread further across the region. Because of that, people sold stocks and moved into safer positions. By the end of the day, all three major U.S. indexes finished at their lowest levels in about 7 months. The S&P 500 fell 1.7%, and the Nasdaq 100 dropped deep enough to enter correction territory, which means it is now down more than 10% from its recent high. The biggest market shock came from the Middle East. Reports said the United States and Israel struck Iranian nuclear and energy facilities, and Iran responded in the Persian Gulf. That raised fears about global oil supply. Oil prices jumped sharply. Brent crude rose more than 4% and closed around $112 a barrel. U.S. crude, or WTI, climbed more than 5% and ended near $100 a barrel. These were some of the biggest oil moves since 2022. There was also fresh concern about the Strait of Hormuz, one of the world's most important shipping routes for oil. Iran's Revolutionary Guard warned that it could block the passage. That made traders even more nervous, because any disruption there could push oil prices even higher and create more pressure on inflation. Economic data also added to the negative mood. March consumer sentiment fell to its lowest level in 3 months. At the same time, one-year inflation expectations moved higher. In simple words, people are feeling less confident, but they also think prices may keep rising. That is not a good mix for the stock market. Some economists are now raising their inflation forecasts for the rest of the year because of higher energy prices. At the same time, they are lowering expectations for consumer spending, economic growth, and job growth. So the market message today was clear: investors are worried about war, worried about oil, and worried that higher prices could slow the economy. Until those fears calm down, market swings may stay strong. That's your simple market update for Friday, March 27. I am Wilson. See you tomorrow.